Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can change or move servers on Dress to Impress. Well, it used to be up here on the top left corner of the screen, but now it's actually been moved to the bottom next to the camera. So if you select this icon, you're just going to join whichever one you want. I'm on free play mode right now on a private server, but if you want to join VIP server, you must have VIP. Pro server, you must have 3,000 plus stars. Regular servers is anyone can join, and the winter quest is just the quest. That's how you can move servers. You can even join your friends if they're on a server by pressing this, selecting friends, and then if they're on a server, you're just going to join them, so you'll be in the same server as them. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Sorry. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.